It's time to weld up this hole here. Normally there's a radiator that sits in there and a really nice emblem or something. Today, I'm going to put a little cap over it. I'm going to TIG that in. Maybe we can find some sort of hood ornament and bolt it onto this radiator shroud. Now that that's all welded on, that's just another thing to tick off the list. I'll give it a grind up and that'll look fine. And with a quick grind up with the angle grinder with a flap disc on it, that cleans that right up. It's now time to start looking for a hood emblem for this thing. Well, there's the 3 holes drilled in this now. The middle one's already countersunk. And the other 2, they're already drilled into the radiator shroud. I'm going to have to drill these out a little bit bigger, and I'm going to have to tap them, just like this. And there's my little eagle, and it'll bolt up just like that. I know it's not like a proper Chevy one, but it'll do. And I've just added these 2 little things on the base plate there, and I think that just finishes that off. Well, I've got the dash out again because I want to weld up these 2 holes. I want to use this headlight switch, but it's too deep through here. And it'll hit the bar that runs across here. So I need to move this hole up a little bit once this is all welded up. Just going to use a little bit of offcut, going to make some little plugs, and I'm going to TIG them in. And with a couple of plugs, it's time to weld them in. And while I was at it, I welded up these side holes here on the dash as well, because I'm not going to use them. And I'll throw this back in the truck and let it go rusty naturally. Anyhow, have a great rest of your day.